Hey everyone, this is John from UNLV Telecom with another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how to manage your contacts within the eFax application. In order to use the eFax application, you need to be on a UNLV network. So that means you either need to be on campus or connected to your UNLV VPN. Alright, let's get started. eFax is a web application, so the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite web browser and go to fax.voice.unlv.edu. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In with Active Directory button. And then in the pop-up, enter your ACE credentials and click on the Sign In button. Now that you're logged in, click on the Contacts in the left menu. The contact phone books that are available to you will now show up below the Contacts menu item. Most users will have a personal contacts phone book called My Contacts, a departmental phone book named after their department, and the UNLV fax phone book. Only you can view and edit the My Contact phone book. Individual departments can determine who has access to view or edit their phone books. The UNLV fax phone book contains fax extensions for all on-campus UNLV fax machines. Only eFax administrators have access to edit this phone book. Today I'm going to add a few contacts to my personal phone book and then create a contact group. First, select the phone book that you want to add contacts to. In this case, I'm choosing My Contacts. To add a new contact, click on the Create Contact button on the top right of the screen. On the form that slides in from the right, enter all relevant information for your new contact. The only required field is fax number. When you are done, click Create. I'm going to create a second user so I can add it to a group. If you send the same fax to multiple parties, you might want to create a contact group. To create a contact group, click on the Create Group button on the top right. Give the group a name and a description. To add members, start typing the name of a contact that already exists in your contact phone book. Click on the user when it pops up and add it to the group. In this case, I'm adding both users I just created. When you're done, click the Create button. Now you're brought back to your contact phone book. From here, you can mouse over or select a contact or group to delete it, edit it, or start composing a fax to that contact or group. And that's it. I hope you now have a good understanding of how to manage your contacts in the eFax application. Thank you for watching. Be sure to watch my other eFax videos that cover login and initial setup, sending faxes, and receiving faxes. If you're interested in learning more about eFax, please contact the UNLV Telecom Help Desk.